Is the cookie done? I think the cookie done.
I did this, you tried that. You copy me, that's my swag. That's my style, give it back. 3 words. I said trick.
Hey creeps, and welcome back to my channel. As you already know, you can't sit with me unless you are POP, and that is pretty on purpose. How you doing? So today, as y'all can see, we're in my lovely kitchen and we're gonna be doing cooking with Zoe. This is gonna be something that is fast and easy, okay? Now, you don't need a lot of stuff. It's real simple, straight to the point. Even your children can do it, okay? You need your chocolate chip cookie dough. I got the 12 count because a bitch finna eat. Then you can get you some milk, reduced fat, 2% is what I got, or you can get whatever milk you like, which is like chocolate milk, strawberry milk, oat milk, whatever milk. Get your milk, breast milk, milk. Then you get the cupcake papers. You can use them or you don't use them. I saw the guy use 3 and then he didn't use 3. So he said it worked better when he used these. So I'm gonna go on and do this because I don't wanna mess up. Then you need to get you your cupcake, cookie, whatever, holder. I wanted just the 6 one, but they didn't have it. I went to Family Dollar, I went to Target. Child, I should have went to Walmart because Old Faithful always have what you need. So anyway, let's first wash our hands. All right, now when you wash your hands, y'all, I heard that you need to be counting to 10 or sing happy birthday. When you sing the happy birthday song, that means you have washed your hands completely. So it's happy birthday to you. Oh, happy birthday to you, whoever it is, because you were Aries and it's your season. Happy birthday to those Aries. Happy birthday to happy birthday to my Aries. Them motherfuckers, they not scary. They'll beat your ass in a hurry. You better run, better scurry. Them my bitches, they real. They don't give a fuck, yeah, they'll kill. But they real sweet, they real nice. And they hair fine. They got some good things. Oh, they got some good things. Happy birthday. Y'all is crazy. All right, now that we've done that, let me get this, clean this out. I don't know who hands done touched all this up in that damn stove. You know what I'm saying? I ain't got time for none of that. COVID is real. And so is that new shit they talking about. I don't know, well, there's a lot of stuff, bro. I ain't gotta do all that now. You could've just sprayed with a little Lysol and blessed it, right? Lysol kill germs, but would it hurt you? I think it'll hurt you, though. But while we dry this out, make sure y'all like and subscribe and hit that ding-a-ling up at the top like it's your man, baby, so you can get notified when I come on the YouTube. Hello, somebody. All right, thank y'all. And in the comments, if you are Aries, please let me know. What is your birthday? Where are you going? Is anything special going on? Let me know in these comments. All right, so first you're going to get your butter. This is the one that he had. I know y'all be talking about butter, but baby, this is the one he's using. So you get it, and since it's just me, I'm gonna just go like this right here. Come on, girl. Come on. I'm gonna just get it like this. Come on. And put it on here and use my finger. He had did like a, I think he had got like some paper and went around. But I'm gonna just get my little hand, you know what I'm saying? Go like this and rub it around. Rub it around. Okay, because I washed my hands. Rub it around. Because I guess you don't, you don't want it to stick or nothing. Rub it around. Oh shit, we supposed to be using the paper. Well, we gonna do 3 like he did. 3 with the butter and 3 with the paper. See, I didn't really need the butter if I was gonna just do the paper. Okay. So anyway, you rub it around like it's a little, your vagina. You play in it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, like that. Make it wet. You know what I'm saying? Real cool. You know what I'm saying? Play in it like that. If you want to use 2 fingers like that. You know what I'm saying? And then you just, yeah, you know what I'm saying? The butter is going. The butter is spreading. The butter is spreading. I don't think I needed that much though. The butter is spreading. Okay, and then after that, you put your 3 right here, okay? Ooh, yes, go on, honey. Okay, boom, shakalaka. Boom, you see that? So we got 3, that's gonna be regular, and then we're gonna do those right there. Okay, the butter is spread. All right, here we go. So now, you take your cookies, right? And then you roll them into cute little balls or whatever the case may be. A girl love a good ball, honey. Oh, Lord. So they already cut into squares, so you know how much to get. Come on, now, don't play with me. Okay? And then you just rub it. I mean, look at me thinking about balls. I'm so stupid. So then you roll them into balls and you just drop it. Move, milk! Drop it into the thing. Okay, why am I yelling? Roll it. You see that? Papa was a rolling stone. Hey! Wherever he laid his hat was his home. And when he died, I don't even know the words. Okay, anyway. Left a good job in the city. Hey! Working for a man every night and day. I better not get demonetized. Never I never lost 1 minute of sleep. And something, thing might have been. How we say? Chocolate chips keep on rolling. Hey! Out there it keep on acting. How we say it? And we rolling in the kitchen. Okay, boom, there we go. All right, you need to preheat your oven to 350, and then you want to leave it in there for like 11 minutes. You don't want the cookie to get all the way hard because there's something else you need to do, okay? So let's go on and preheat this to 350. All right, bake, 350, start. Now, once it gets to 350, we'll come right back. I forgot one ingredient, and that was ice cream. You're gonna need whatever ice cream you like. It could be vanilla, it could be chocolate, it could be birthday cake, it could be whatever. Chocolate chips and cookies and cream, whatever. But go and get your ice cream. You need your ice cream. Okay, we had a little technical difficulty. See, this is why I don't like people to cook when they come to my house. I like for people to cook at home, and then you bring your food here. I'm over there looking at TV waiting for it to preheat. I'm like, what is that smell? I ain't even cooking. Girl, I come over here, I said, oh my God, smoke just flying. I thought the shit was gonna go off, got my windows open. Child, cook at your own damn house. So anyway, I'm gonna have to really do this a good deep clean after this. Cause girl, yeah girl, what if I would've left to get the ice cream? Came back, house blowed up. Girl, anyway. So that you got the oven to 350, you go on, get your cookies, and you put it in here. And they say do it for 11 minutes. Okay, y'all? So we finna set this timer for 11 minutes. I did DoorDash for some ice cream because I didn't want to leave. Scared of this. So, shit, I hope it's here on time. Maybe we need to wait. Oh my God, where's my phone? What time is it gonna be here? Hold on, let me see. What time is it gonna be here? Let me see. Oh, DoorDash. Open it up. It's cooking. Hold on, wait a minute. Don't need it to cook yet. Hold on. 5:07. I could have went and got that. 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57. It ain't gonna be here on time. I feel like it's still smoking in this bitch. Let me let this wait for a minute. And then when it get 5 o'clock, I'm gonna put them in so we can be on the same time. Jesus Christ. Okay, so the ice cream person came. So now, let's go on and put this in here. 350, bake, 11 minutes. Come on, oh shit. Bake time, 11 minutes. Start. Let me make sure, bake time. There we go, boom, see y'all in 11 minutes. Woo! Oh my God, I didn't mean to leave it the whole 11 minutes. Hold on, oh my God. Okay, give me the thing. The butter is going. The butter is going. The cookies is baking, over baked. I said don't leave it the whole 11 minutes. I mean, you can, but they suggest you not to so you can, you know, do what you need to. Oh, the butter is going. Hold on, let me see. I think that, you think that's good? That's good. The butter is going. Hold on, we're gonna let you do the whole 11 minutes. I don't know. Oh my God. I think this is good. It might can go a little bit more. No, I think that's good. He said 11 minutes. And I think that, oh shit, this motherfucker hot. Now, I hope they don't burn it. Okay. Shut up! Why is everything going off? Okay. You're supposed to use a soup spoon. A soup spoon. You're supposed to use a soup spoon like this and put an indent, but it's gonna be too big. So we're gonna use what he used And that was a tablespoon thing. Okay, where my tablespoon stuff at? Okay, hold on. I think this good enough. Let's see. Yeah, okay. So then you make an indent in it. Uh-oh. Oh, shit. Oh, that is too soft. That cookie ain't done. That cookie ain't done. Is the cookie done? That cookie ain't done. That cookie ain't done. That cookie ain't done. Is that cookie done? Cause he said he don't want to make it. That cookie ain't damn done. Is the cookie done? I think the cookie done. Let me just do 3 more minutes. Hold on, now that's gonna be, you know what? Fuck it. Turn it back on, babe. 350. Hold on, y'all. Let me see. 5 minutes. Get it to going. Okay, so I did 15 minutes. Oh, see, that's why you can't do 50. Ah, son of a bitch! God damn it! Okay. Boom. Boom. Yeah, this look better. Boom. All right. Come on now. Boom. Oh, shut the hell up. Bitch, what I say? So you make a little cup. Girl, I said shut up. Miss Thing. Okay, and then you make a little cup. And then you let them, hold on. I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna come over there and show y'all how I made a little indent, okay? And that other one popped back up, y'all, so we good. It popped back up.
So we good. So we good. It popped back up, so we good. It popped back up, so we good.
Okay. How long am I supposed to let this little bucket sit? How long am I supposed to let this little bucket sit? How long am I let this little bucket sit? The butter was buttering. Okay. And you gotta let these things cool. I think like they said let it sit for 2 minutes. Let me put my timer. Hold on. 2 minutes. Let me see. Whoop, 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 whoop. Stopwatch. 2 minutes. My timer. 2 minutes. Loud. Ta-da. Watch out now. We set the timer 2 minutes and let it cool down. Loud. Ta-da. Watch out now. Set the timer 2 minutes so they can cool down. Okay, so 2 minutes. Little grown-up juice. You know what I'm saying? It's always good for a little grown-up to do what a grown-up want to do. You feel me? Oh, do we want this with this? It's alright. We gonna do it. Okay.
Oh boy, I love getting drunk.
Yeah, I bet y'all thought I forgot to show you. So that's the indents you make, okay? That's how they gonna look after you do a little thing and put your little indents and whatever. So now you get your milk and your ice cream. And we're going to get one of these. You see that? Oh, bitch, it's still supposed to be cooling down. He said 2 minutes. He just be getting all his timing off. You know what? See, ooh, that's gonna piss me off. I hate when people don't get their directions properly. Anyway, let it sit longer than 2 minutes, y'all, because it's still a little soft. Let it go like maybe 10 minutes. It's supposed to be a little bucket. And then, hold on. You get your little ice cream or whatever. You scoop or whatever. And you put it in here or whatever. And then there you go, whatever. Oh. Oh, bitch. Oh, bitch. Oh. Oh, girl. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, man. Okay. Oh, that is good, And then if you want to do cookies and milk. Oh shit! So he said on the thing that when you did it on the side with the butter, he said it was a little hard because oh there you go. Oh she worked. Oh see she worked. Look at that! Look at that! And then you take a little milk, pour it in. Pour it in. You see that? You see that? And ain't no leakage or nothing. You see that? I like it with the ice cream though, but this is cute. Ooh, that is good. Alright now. Well, hopefully I like that video. I know it's short, but it's alright. God, I made one you, and if you don't be you, then nobody else will. Cue the music.